Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to restore the audio points on a video clip in Camtasia after silence audio. First, open Camtasia and here you can see I already imported audio in the timeline which is silenced now. To restore the audio, right click on the clip and select Restore Audio. This is a simple method to do it. But if you add a pointer in your audio by double click on it and then silence the audio, and again by doing the same steps if you restore the audio, the pointer which you added before is gone now. So for restore this pointer, you have to use another method for silence and restore it. You can just simply hold the pointer and drag it downward. You can see the audio graphs also going silenced. You can see there is no sound now. To restore it again, hold the pointer and drag upward. Or you can move it anywhere you want if you want to add any effects or something like that. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.